one very interesting example that I have seen of wetland restoration, of coastal wetland restoration, let's say in the Mediterranean area, is actually in the south of Portugal, in the Algarve region. It's called Rio Formosa. It's a large area of around 2,000 hectares that have been restored over many years. And so the restoration is now pretty well complete. And it is an amazing ecosystem to see from the air, because actually you can fly into Faro Airport and you can see all the estuaries and the rivers and the little streams from the air. It's an amazing mosaic picture. And then you obviously afterwards, as a tourist, you can land and visit some of the areas as well. And it is an interesting combination, obviously, of sweet water coming in from the river, being protected then by sandbanks from the sea, and having a number of kind of little islands in between, and creating a massive and very complex ecosystem. It is also very important for migratory birds.